Did you know that every single bite you take is like casting a vote, for or against the trillions of microbes living inside you? These microbes aren't freeloaders. They're active partners shaping digestion, immunity, metabolism, and even brain health. Scientists call this ecosystem the gut microbiome, and it's now seen as one of the most exciting frontiers in modern biology. In fact, a 2024 Nature Reviews Gastroenterology and Hepatology article described the microbiome as a hidden organ because it produces hormones, neurotransmitters, and metabolites that influence nearly every system in your body. The foods you eat are essentially the control panel. Feed your microbes wisely, and they'll reward you with resilience, sharper cognition, balanced mood, and even slower aging. Feed them poorly, and they can turn against you, fueling inflammation, metabolic disease, and cognitive decline. So today, let's explore the top 5 everyday foods that feed your gut bacteria, and the science behind why they matter. Yogurt, the ancient probiotic powerhouse. Yogurt has been a part of human diets for thousands of years, but modern science is only now catching up to its full benefits. Yogurt contains live probiotic cultures, especially lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. These microbes don't just pass through your gut. They interact with your immune system, strengthen the intestinal barrier, and produce short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, like butyrate. A 2023 Cell Host and Microbe study showed that daily probiotic yogurt consumption reduced markers of systemic inflammation and improved gut microbial diversity. Think of yogurt as a diplomatic envoy, introducing friendly bacteria that help train your immune system to distinguish between friend and foe. Even more fascinating, SCFAs from yogurt influence the gut-brain axis. They calm microglia, the brain's immune cells, helping them protect neurons instead of attacking them. That means your morning yogurt might be quietly supporting mood regulation, memory, and resilience against stress. 2. Kefir, the fermentation super drink. If yogurt is the diplomat, kefir is the entire United Nations. This fermented milk drink contains up to 30 different strains of bacteria and yeasts, making it one of the most diverse probiotic foods available. Kefir microbes produce bioactive peptides, tiny protein fragments that can lower blood pressure, reduce oxidative stress, and even boost neuroplasticity by influencing brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF. BDNF is like fertilizer for your neurons, helping them grow stronger connections. Kimchi, the spicy immune booster. Kimchi, the Korean staple, is more than just a side dish. It's a living food, teeming with lactic acid bacteria that thrive during fermentation. These microbes produce vitamins, antioxidants, and SCFAs that reduce inflammatory cytokines, the chemical messengers that drive chronic inflammation. A 2023 nutrients meta-analysis found that fermented vegetables like kimchi were linked to lower risks of metabolic syndrome and improved insulin sensitivity. That means kimchi doesn't just help your gut. It may also protect against diabetes, obesity, and cardiovascular disease. Think of kimchi as a microbial construction crew, constantly repairing and reinforcing the walls of your intestinal fortress. And because it's rich in polyphenols from cabbage, garlic, and chili, kimchi also fuels beneficial bacteria that thrive on plant compounds. 4. Oats, the prebiotic fuel source. Unlike yogurt or kimchi, oats don't contain live microbes. Instead, they're packed with prebiotics, fibers that your gut bacteria ferment into SCFAs. One standout is beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that lowers cholesterol, stabilizes blood sugar, and reduces LDL oxidation. A 2024 Lancet Microbe Review showed that diets rich in prebiotic fibers increased populations of beneficial bacteria like Faecalibacterium prausnitzii, which is strongly anti-inflammatory. Oats are like fertilizer, helping your microbial garden flourish. 5. Bananas. The accessible gut-friendly snack bananas are often overlooked, but they're a microbiome-friendly powerhouse. They contain resistant starch, a type of carbohydrate that resists digestion in the small intestine and becomes food for microbes in the colon. A 2023 American Journal of Clinical Nutrition trial found that resistant starch improved insulin sensitivity and reduced inflammatory markers in overweight adults. Bananas also deliver potassium and polyphenols, which support cardiovascular health and microbial diversity. Think of bananas as the everyday fuel station, cheap, accessible, and always ready to top up your microbial tank. And because they're portable, they're one of the easiest ways to sneak microbiome-friendly nutrition into your daily life.